You see that particular soap that you're using? Yes, that particular soap that you're using is not going to clear your sunburn. If you like, buy different brightening soap. It's not going to clear that particular sunburn. Hi, my
Let me
loves.
just
Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Sunshine, and welcome to Sunshine Skin Diary. Now, today we'll be talking about sunburn, and this is going to be like the part two because in my former video that I talked about sunburn, I did tell you guys what sunburn is, and this one is going to be a well detailed summary because I went to the comment section of that particular video, right? If you have not watched it, please go watch it. I went to the comment section of that video and I saw a whole lot of comments. People were asking me, and I came to understand that a whole lot of ladies, beautiful ladies out there, are battling with sunburn. Okay, so this is going to be like a step-by-step routine, so please pay keen attention. You see how I'm very calm? Please pay keen attention. Now, the first things first, now I'm going to talk about the preventive measures before the solution. So if you don't have sunburn or you really have sunburn, please listen very attentive. You have no business using this scrub. This is what we call a physical scrub. You have no business using a physical scrub on your sunburn. In fact, on your face. You have no business using a physical scrub, this one or any kind, on your face if you have a sunburn. Even if you don't have a sunburn, please don't use this. Stop using harsh scrubs on your face. Stop ever exfoliating your face either physically or with using a chemical scrub. Stop over exfoliating. That is the second point, because the more you keep doing it, the more your sunburn is just there laughing at you, making jest of your pretty self. You know this one, right? Kojic acid. If your sunburn is looking red, hurting you, like you're feeling hotness, you're feeling how red your face is always hot, anything you apply, it will hurt you. Please, there should be no business between you and this particular soap. Leave this soap for people that are just battling with dark spots. You that have sunburn and your sunburn is still red, leave this particular soap for them. You have no business using this particular soap. If you have chronic sunburn, leave this soap. Thank you. These are some of the preventive measures that you can actually take right now before I go to the solutions. Now let's go to the solutions. Now these solutions are going to come in two stages. First stage and second stage. I'm gonna give you guys a whole lot. So please, if possible, get your notes, get your pen. All right, I'm gonna explain this in very clear to you. So stage one is whereby you started noticing that no, your cheek is always red, especially this side. It's always red. Your forehead is becoming red. Any small thing there will be hurting you. If you apply just a normal serum, you'll be feeling you'll be feeling very hot at that particular area. That is stage one of sunburn, whereby it is very red. At that moment, your skin is so sensitive. That is stage one. Okay. And at that particular stage, this is how your skincare routine should be like. Don't do beyond this. Don't go above this. Because at that particular stage, your skin is screaming, please, I need to calm down. Please allow me to calm down. So you only need products that will calm your skin down. So the first things first that you need is a cleanser. Please, you need a gentle cleanser. Please, emphasis on the gentle, because your face is already in a tough stage, is in already in a battle. So what it needs is for it to calm down. So a gentle cleanser is the first thing that you need. When I mean gentle cleanser, some of you will now mistake and go and buy a vitamin C soap. Some of you will go and be buying extract soap. Some of you will go and be buying nano soap. Some of you will go and be buying drip soap. Some of you will go and be buying kojic acid soap. Because I said gentle cleanser, those are not gentle cleansers. Those things have ingredients. Some have high actives. When I mean gentle cleanser, this is an example of a gentle cleanser. This is the simple gentle cleanser. This is an example of a gentle cleanser. You see the particular one that I'm holding here, it has no alcohol. It has no alcohol. It has no scent. It's just plain. There to wash your face. It's very gentle. It's not going to strip your face of its natural oil. So this is a definition of a gentle cleanser. Go and get this. Get this for your skin type. You see this simple. It comes in different variants. Get it. This is an example of a gentle cleanser. The second thing that you need is moisturizer. Now, when I talk about moisturizers, please, gentle moisturizer that has two ingredients. Either it has ceramide or it has a hyaluronic acid inside of it. Anything outside of these two ingredients, you're on your own. To be very honest, it's either it's going to have ceramide or hyaluronic acid. I did not say you should have salicylic acid. I did not say you should have retinol. I am not mentioning all those things for stage one. No, you remember you are in the stage one, and at stage one you have redness. This is the new stage of your sunburn. So pay attention. Ceramide or hyaluronic acid is okay. So this is an example of what I'm saying. This is an example of what I'm saying. You see, this one now is from Face Fat, and this is very affordable. This one contains ceramide. This is a gel cream. This one contains ceramide. This one contains hyaluronic acid. It contains oats. It does not contain any actives. Look at how it is inside. It does not contain any actives. So that people will not be confused. Look at how it is. Okay, it does not contain any actives. Very soothing to the skin. This is what you need. This is just what you need. You see, the third thing that you need is sunscreen. I'm not saying too much. Many of you are sleeping on sunscreen. You have a very current sunburn and you're skipping sunscreen. How do you want your sunburn to go? So get sunscreen. Get sunscreen. For this sunscreen, we have a lot of sunscreens in the market. Okay, but let me add one advice I want you to take home is get a sunscreen for your skin type. Get a sunscreen for your skin type. Buy a sunscreen that has an SPF of 50. It can be from the Nivea, it can be from the Biore, it can be from a La Roche-Posay, it can be the La Roche-Posay sunscreen. Please get a sunscreen for your skin type. That is the only thing you need. If you are in stage one of sunburn, stage one, that is how your routine should be, morning and night. Do that consecutively for like 2 to 3 weeks because your face really needs to calm down. Please. Now move over to stage two. Now stage two, this is whereby your face is no longer, you're no longer feeling that burning sensation anymore. Your face is now calm, but there's this blackish looking hyperpigmentation around your cheek zone here. You don't dey burn. Here is now getting looking burnt. So what some of you do at that stage, what some of you do is you now go and buy bleaching product. Some of you will now say, no, I want to use if you should give me bleaching product, I want to use things like Crusader. I want to use things like Carotene. I promise you, yours that skin will not clear. Because the what you're trying to do is you're trying to pour gasoline to a fire that is about to quench. that that is when your face will enter the third stage of sunburn, whereby even chemical peel, before chemical peel will heal your face, is by the grace of God. So please do not go and buy any bleaching product. Listen attentively. If you're in stage two, eh you will still be doing the same routine, oh, but these are the things you will now add. Aside your gentle cleanser, which is compulsory, your moisturizer, your sunscreens, they are compulsory. These are things you will now add. Please pay attention. The first thing you will add is niacinamide. My dear, you will add what? Niacinamide. Niacinamide actually helps in brightening of the skin. Is either you get a TM niacinamide or you get an affordable niacinamide that do work. So this is a niacinamide serum. This is the affordable niacinamide serum that I've used so far that is working. See this one. This is from the Sterling, and this is the Rose Shift niacinamide serum. Okay, as you can see, this is the 30 ml. It's a small. I won't lie, it's small, but it works. So get a niacinamide. Is the first thing I will tell you. All right. And niacinamide, you can apply niacinamide either in the morning or in the night. Okay. When you're done washing your face, you apply your niacinamide serum, you apply your moisturizer, your then in that order, right? Then the next one you can buy, eh? that you not have an issue with is tranexamic acid. Tranexamic acid. Tranexamic acid is what you need to get in the market. Tranexamic acid is known for clearing sunburn. I'm not going to say this too much. Tranexamic acid is known for clearing what? Sunburn. Chronic, in fact, stage 2 sunburn. Stage 2 sunburn, where you know you are now seeing dark hyperpigmentation, you use tranexamic acid. Tranexamic acid should be paired with a sunscreen. You cannot be using tranexamic acid and you're not using sunscreen. Apply your tranexamic acid in the night. In the morning, apply your sunscreen. It is that simple. The next other ingredients that you can actually use to tackle your sunburn that is stage 2 is alpha arbutin. As the name implies, alpha arbutin, meaning this one is superior arbutin. It actually helps in battling in the clearing of anything hyperpigmentation. It is the alpha, not the omega. Okay, so you need alpha arbutin. You see the three ingredients that I mentioned. One, niacinamide. Two, tranexamic acid. Three, alpha butane. I am not saying you should pack it in one routine, my sister, my brother. I'm not saying pack all of them in one routine. No, don't get me wrong. Select select two out of the three. If you're using niacinamide, you can use niacinamide with alpha butane. You can use niacinamide with tranexamic acid. So select two. You use niacinamide in the morning, tranexamic acid at night, or alpha arbutin in the morning, tranexamic acid at night. You see how it's going. I did not say use the three at once in your skincare routine. Don't go and pack all of them. It doesn't work that way. Or I'll use one. Start with one first of all. Okay. I will start with alpha butane. You first of all. If you're going for alpha butane, go for alpha butane. If you want to go for tranexamic, go for tranexamic. But I'll advise you, if you know your sunburn is chronic, go for tranexamic acid. Tranexamic acid will help you to clear your sunburn. Other people will not tell you this, okay? But I'll tell you, your sunburn will not clear in one day. Some of you will do your skincare routine today. Tomorrow morning, you'll be expecting to see a drastic change. We are not doing magic, okay? So it is a continual process. It's a routine. As the name implies, it's a routine you stick with for a long period of time, because this somebody did not just appear in one day. It started showing you signs. It went from stage 1, it's now in stage 2. So for it to also go, it will also have to pass through that stage backwards. Do you get me? This is a well-detailed explanation of how your routine should be, depending on the stage your sunburn is. Just so you know, PSA, public service announcement: do not use any bleaching product to clear your sunburn. Please, do not do that. Anybody telling you, Mama, this particular face cream within the next 3 days, this sunburn will go, that person does not like you. The person is not telling you the truth. Your sunburn will become worse and worse and worse. Apply sunscreen. If you're watching me and you don't have sunburn, please stick to sunscreen. Sunscreens are very essential. They are very important. Okay? Share this video to somebody that have sunburn. That is the way of you spreading love to that person. Tell this person the information you got from this video. That's the way of you spreading love. Because when I see a whole lot of ladies out there battling with this kind of skin condition, it touches me actually, because I tend to wonder, how come? And mainly it's because of lack of knowledge. That is why I created this channel, to educate a whole lot of ladies when it comes to skin. Because I myself, I know what I'm experiencing. As somebody that have an acne prone that is battling with a whole lot of dark spots from time to time, I understand. Do not listen. Do not be ignorant of anything. Okay? Calm down with your routine. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment section. If you want to book a consultation, also let me know. I will always be there for you. Now, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned to Sunshine Skin Diary. Bye, guys.